Hi, I'm going to quickly show you how to calculate the difference between a start date and an end date in Excel. We're going to calculate the number of days, months, and years. We're going to use a little known function called dateDiff. You won't find this in the formula dictionary in Excel. It's not very publicized, but it's a very useful function. So let's explore the formula. It has three arguments. First, let's initiate the function with date, D-I-F, and put our parentheses. This function has three arguments, which is start date, an end date, and then a time unit. So we use to call our time unit an abbreviation. We use D for days, M for months, and Y for years, and we put that in parentheses. So if you hit enter, we can see the number of days. Now let's just copy that formula and look at the number of months, because all we need to do is change our time variable from D to M for months. And let's do the same here. And let's change that to years. And now that we have all our formulas, we can copy those down. And now you have the difference between days. So you can see from June 16, 2007 to March 23rd, 2019, there were 4,298 days. 141 months and 11 years. I hope this helped you. Thank you.